This is LENOVO Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up and use the nearby share feature on this device. So to start, I recommend that you enable Wi-Fi Bluetooth. And then, among the control panel shortcuts, find the one that says nearby share and touch and hold at its icon like that. From here, in order to turn on the nearby share, you're going to tap at this toggle over here. Then you can rename the device if needed, so I'll set the custom alias to be, well, let's say P11. we will not try to be original here. Already I've accidentally exited or quit the nearby share page. Then you can make your device visible or invisible respectively, as well as restrict or set up its visibility. And finally, you can change the data mode that will be used for the file transfer, and you're all set up and ready to go. So I happen to have another phone on me, so I'll try to send some photo from it to my tablet and see how well it works. So here is the tablet, which has gotten successfully discovered. Now I gotta accept the transfer at the receiver's end and wait for those images to get transferred, or well, sent and received. And well, here you go. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.